Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you using JavaScript how to check if a string contains a substring or not. Let's enter some text. Let's add 2. Now I want to check that 2 is present or not here in this string. See, here we got the result true. The true is available. If I add some other text, is false, is not present. Let's add this one, ampersand, it's true. If I add dot, the dot is not present in this string, it's false. If I add bz, which is not present in this do container, it's false. True. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. I'm using Notepad++ for this video tutorial. Notice in this Notepad++, just for the time saving, I have added some HTML code with the header tags h1, h2 and horizontal line. And after the horizontal line, I have a div container with a string welcome to Haritha Computers and Technology. And after the div container, I have 3 more controls. One is a text box, and the second one is label control, and the third one is a button control. Now before writing the JavaScript functionality to check the substring, let's check the basic output, how it looks at designing part on the browser. And here is the output of that HTML code, which contains the header tags and that string which contains in the div container. And after the div container, I have a text box control and button control. Now my aim is I will enter some text. I will check that entered text or character is present in this welcome to Haritha Computers and Technology or not. If the substring is present in this div container, I will get the result true. Otherwise, I will get the false. Let's write the JavaScript functionality. In the header section, script tag, I'm closing the script tag. Inside the script, I'm adding a function substring is a function name. Now in this function, I'm declaring a variable div string is equals to, I'm getting the div string document dot get element by id between double quotes. I'm adding the div one, it's a gap here, dot inner HTML. So after getting the div text in this variable, the next variable, I'm adding the text box string, text substring is equals to document dot get element by id between double quotes. I'm adding the text box id, which is a substring, dot value. After that, I'm declaring a variable to get the results. Variable res result is equals to, it's a variable name. Now I'm checking the entered text in the text box control, the substring is present or not in this div str, which is nothing but a div tag. Here we have added the div one, so div str dot indexOf, I'm adding this variable text substring, not double equals to -1. Notice here the condition I have given -1, which means the -1 represents false. The substring value is not present in the string in this do container. So here it's not equals to -1, which means it's present, it's available. If res, if the substring is present in this do container, I want to display the message true in this label control. Document.getElementById between double quotes. I'm adding the label ID, which is result dot inner HTML is equals to, I'm adding this variable result res, and I want to display this message in green color. Document.getElementById between double quotes result dot color dot style dot color is a property. I'm adding green. Else if the substring is not present in this do container, I want to display the message false with a red color. So instead of writing the same code, I'm copying and pasting here in the else part. This one is red. That's it. We have added the functionality to check the substring values are present or not. But the most important, we need to add this function name in button click event. So I'm adding on click is equals to, I'm adding the function name substring, this one here. That's it. Let's save this file. We'll check the final output on the browser. I'm reloading the browser. Let's enter some text. Let's add 2. Now I want to check that 2 is present or not here in this string. See, here we got the result true. The true is available. If I add some other text, it's false, it's not present. Let's add this one, ampersand, it's true. If I add dot, the dot is not present in this string, it's false. If I add bz, which is not present in this do container, it's false. True. That's it.